How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So all you have to do is to go here to your Instagram application, and what you're gonna do is it will lead you here to your homepage, right? Now, if you already have the broadcast option, what you're gonna do is on the upper right, you'll see the messenger icon. Click on that, and basically you will see the broadcast channel here. On the upper right, you'll see this pen and paper icon. Click on that, and you will have an option that says create a broadcast channel. Now, as you can see, I do not have that one because not all are given the chance to have or to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So those who has a channel here, as you can see that they have a broadcast channel, that is because they are verified. And of course there is actually a waiting list because not all are given a chance again to have that broadcast channel. So since in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to create a broadcast channel, then that is it. If you go here to your pen and paper icon, you will see a create a broadcast channel again. All you have to do is to click on that, and you will now have a broadcast channel. And then for those who do not have, what you can do here is on the bottom part you'll see your profile. Click on that, and then make sure to set your account to professional or creator. Here, go to settings, and here you will see under account, scroll all the way down, switch your account type to creator. And then the other way is to just go here to your settings again and tap on help, and go report a problem, and then report a problem without shaking, and then tap on include and continue, and briefly explain what happened or what's your problem. For example, I would like to create a broadcast channel on Instagram, but I do not have that such option. So can you help me? You can put that there, and basically send a screenshot that proves that you do not have a broadcast channel, and then tap on send and wait for the Instagram community to get back to you and help you and maybe give you an opportunity to create your own broadcast channel. And basically that is it. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YouTube channel to show your support. Thank you for watching.